Planning a trip to Spain? Fantastic choice. It's a country full of beauty, passion, and a few quirks that can trip up even seasoned travelers. But don't worry, here are 5 funny tips to help you blend in, laugh a little, and avoid looking completely clueless. Number 1, siesta time equals zombie town. At 2 o'clock sharp, Spain shuts down. Shops, closed, streets, empty, locals, gone. Don't panic, it's just siesta. Grab a snack, take a nap, or stand in front of a closed door like a confused tourist until everything reopens around 5. Number 2, dinner happens tomorrow. If you're planning dinner at 6 p.m., you might want to pack a sandwich. Spaniards don't sit down to eat until around 10 p.m. Until then, it's tapas, wine, and wondering why you suddenly feel like you're living in a different time zone. Number 3, paella isn't a midnight snack. Yes, Spain is famous for paella, pronounced paella. No, you can't have it for dinner. This dish is a lunch-only diva. Try ordering it at night and you'll either get yesterday's leftovers or a pitying smile from your waiter. Number 4, save the Speedo for the sand. Look, we get it. You just left the beach. But walking around town in swimwear is a quick way to scream, I'm not from here. Toss on a shirt and some real shoes before you go sightseeing, unless your goal is to be featured in someone's vacation cringe reel. Number 5, the beer is small and that's okay. Ask for a beer and you'll get a cana, a little glass that looks like it belongs in a dollhouse. That's not a mistake. It's a lifestyle. It stays cold, goes down easy, and gives you an excuse to keep ordering more without shame. Just smile and go with it. So there you have it, 5 funny, slightly weird, and totally useful tips for surviving Spain like a pro. Embrace the quirks, eat late, nap often, and when in doubt, just order another round of tapas. Travel smart, laugh loud, and most of all, enjoy the ride. Buen viaje.